Your iPad is managed by the district, and the App Store is not accessible. Sometimes you will need to install an application. We use a management tool called FileWave. You can launch FileWave to install district-sanctioned apps. It's super easy. Look for the icon that is named App Portal and tap it. Simply look for the application you wish to install, then tap the app. Next, you will want to tap Install on the upper right corner. Then click OK. Press the Home button on your iPad to go back to the home screen. Wait a few minutes and the app will begin installing. That was super easy.